What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and as you can see here, I am giving you guys a quick lock update as well as showing you how I am doing my retwist now that I am experiencing a lot of growth and I'm only retwisting every 2 months or so. So I just kind of want to go through the process of how I'm doing that. I am currently 15 months locked, so shout out to me. I can't believe it's been that much time. Honestly, I just want to be straight up with you guys. Not a lot has really changed, like outside of like clearly my locks are maturing and getting longer. So like I'm loving the length. And other than that, like I'm just flowing with this journey. Like I'm not doing too much, not overdoing it. I haven't really used too many new products. I still am in the process of like deciding whether or not I like this other shampoo that I incorporated into my regimen. And when I get to the point where I can make a final decision, I will definitely let you guys in on that and give you guys a review and everything. But other than that, like I'm just keeping it cool, keeping it real beaut, you know, period. So if you guys want to see, you know, the process of how I'm retwisting my hair, definitely make sure that you stay tuned. And yeah, here we go. All right, so here I am, freshly washed. Again, it has been 2 months since a retwist, 1 month since a wash. All right, and I will be back once I get the top, all right, and I will be back once I get the back retwisted because I ain't about to struggle in front of y'all. Down to my last 2 twists here. And this has to be by far the longest it's ever taken me to do my retwist, because my hair is super thick and I had a whole lot of like loose pieces, and I'm assuming it's because, I mean, obviously it's because I haven't retwisted in a really long time. But then too, I have been working out like crazy and pulling my hair up and down. So I don't know if it's breakage or what, but I just wanted to bring you guys in for the final few twists here. And then, oh shit. Then I will be sitting under the dryer for as long as possible. I have to leave at 2 o'clock to go and pick up my sister from the airport. But this is where I'm at, and we are finally done. So I am now going to sit under the dryer, and I will come back on to give you guys an update on how Loc life is going via 15 months into my process. All right, y'all, I'm back. I just literally dried for like maybe an hour, 45 minutes. I'm not completely dry, so I still do have some clips in my hair just to kind of mold things into place of how I want my locks to dry, because if they dry funky, then they're gonna lay funky, and I just ain't got time. I went on ahead and put my oil in my hair. I did show you guys the other products I was using. I don't have them in front of me anymore, but nothing has really changed. But I went on ahead and locked in some moisture with the Naturally Unique Loc Oil by Alakay Naturals, which is still absolutely one of my faves. I have been using this stuff the whole time that I have been locked, and as you can see, I still have plenty. I usually just use this like right after I shampoo my hair, and that's pretty much it. I don't add too many other products into my hair in between. But yeah, this is what we looking like right now, and nothing's really going to change. I'm just going to remove my clips. But for right now, let's go on ahead and talk about how I have been enjoying my hair. Honestly, not a lot has changed. As you can see, I do have some length going on here. I can go on ahead and turn around, even though, I mean, the clips are there, but you get the gist. So here's what I'm looking like. I am still enjoying the journey. Like I said, like, I really don't do a whole lot with my hair. Every once in a while I may pull it up in the front or like put it back into like a scarf situation, but I mean, there's not a lot that's really changed. Right now, the top locks are still extremely thick, and I love it because it gives me the fullness up top that I really want. I do have not really curly ends anymore, but my ends are still pretty loose, which I'm completely fine with. I contemplated getting some color, so I will update you guys on that. My lips are ashy, and I have one nail missing. I was painting this weekend. I was doing a lot, but anyways. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my 15-month lock update. Not much has been changing. I've only been retwisting, I want to say every 2 months or so. I still will wash in between there, but all in all, the journey is really well. I'm loving how my locks are looking. Yeah, so if you guys want to stay tuned to my Loc Journey videos, I really don't update a whole lot because, like I said, not much has really changed outside of my length and, I mean, the maturity of my locks. But if you guys have any requests as to, you know, certain videos that you want to see regarding my locks, definitely leave them down in the comment section below. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button if you have not already. And I'm going to go ahead and hop off of here. So thank you guys so much for watching, and until the next time, peace out.